Hey everyone, good afternoon and happy Friday. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darrell Winninger from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center. We're about to do a quick look at your most reliable forecast. Today has been hot. We've had some clouds and it has been hazy with some of that smoke from the cram fire still impacting our air quality. Now our weather headlines for this Friday, July the 18th include a red flag warning for most of Central Oregon. That continues until 10 p.m. Now a gradual cooling trend is expected with breezy afternoons and dry conditions. We have a pair of back-to-back fronts that will eventually bring us further into the 80s. And outside right now, there's just some cloud cover. You can see some of the smoke from that cram fire from the Prineville Airport looking to the north. Outside of that, some haze through the Tri-County area. And here is your red flag warning for most of Central Oregon, save the east slopes of the Cascades and Deschutes and parts of Jefferson County. Now, this stays in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. And as we go forward, we are looking at still dry and breezy conditions. Now, there's been a slight cool down across the high desert, still looking at 90s and 80s across our Tri-County area. And so it's still hot. This evening, it's going to be warm and then mild to start the day tomorrow. But by Saturday, we're not warming up. We're not heating up as much with highs near and a little below average for this time of the year. But that's not it with our cooling trend either. Now, your forecast model does show a vague resemblance of a front right there. And as that rolls through tonight, we have increasing AM clouds, then clearing through Saturday. This is going to trigger our first dip in temperatures, and then by Sunday, we have another weak front rolling through. Again, early morning hours, again, dry and a little breezy at times. Those back-to-back fronts are going to spell out our gradual cooling trend. So it's gradual cooling before showers Saturday. It'll be mild to start, highs in the 80s with a few 90s, and we get that clearing. By Sunday, we're looking at highs still in the 80s, a few 70s possible, but by Monday, either side of 80 degrees with more rain expected. So for tonight, 50s, few 40s. By tomorrow, we're looking at 80s and a few 90s, and here's that 7-day planner. We have roller coaster temperatures and a few chances of precipitation. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News.